If you want to completely deactivate the Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, here's what you need to do. First of all, we're gonna open Settings, and then we need to scroll down in order to find Google. In Google Services, we're gonna switch to All Services, and then in here scroll down in order to find Search, Assistant, and Voice. Over here, you want to go to Google Assistant, and if you have Gemini, then first, before we move on to the next step, you actually have to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we need to switch to Google Assistant. If you already have Google Assistant selected, then of course you can skip this specific step. Now, after that, we're gonna go to General. And over here we have the Google Assistant switcher, so of course we can turn it off over here. Now, besides that, what you can also do is, of course, you can disable some gestures and shortcuts that we have on this phone that activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. So first we're gonna go to Additional Settings, and then in here we have Gesture Shortcuts, and then we have Launch Digital Assistant. So of course we can completely turn it off over here. So if you press and hold the power button, then the digital assistant will not be activated. Besides that, of course, if you use, for example, the back tap, then of course in that case you will need to switch the digital assistant as well. And I believe that's pretty much it, although I have to confirm by going to System and Navigation, and in here I believe, well, there are also options that allow you to launch the digital assistant, so you might want to check that as well. And for gestures, I believe that should be it. Yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.